Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Sign in. And now go to menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, and enter Voice Match. Enable Hey Google function. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also enable assistant responses on lock screen. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.